Current OOTD. Hello and welcome to today's vlog. Ooh, my hair looks crazy even though I straightened it this morning. It's pretty humid and it's been rainy. That has not been very good on my hair. Yeah, it's probably the best view. So today is going to be the first day of this vlog. I think we're gonna vlog probably today and tomorrow, maybe on Thursday. But this is my vacation vlog, as you can see by the title. And today it is Tuesday, July 13th. And it's 1:53. We have pictures at 3:30. So I'm gonna start getting ready. I'm gonna re-straighten my hair and do my makeup. I'm going for just like a basic natural look. I'm not gonna do anything too crazy, and then I will get Alea bathed and her ready, put on my dress, and I think that I probably have to iron Malik's shirt and then we'll be good.
The day. I'll show you guys everything I got when we get back. We're in the oh, they have my favorite. This is my favorite Method body wash. I talked about it in my last video, and they didn't have it at Target. But Wegmans literally has everything. Food, hygiene.
Why did I just do that?
Lavender Castile soap because.
Okay, so I have done my makeup. I feel like I look kind of crazy in the viewfinder. Hope I don't really look that crazy. I don't think I really look crazy. I'm about to give this girl a bath and get her curls looking right for our pictures. You look so cute. Okay, it's so dark right here. I know. Hold on, actually there's light. Ah, and there was light. We have Alea in here right now. She has some blue and white stripes. I have on blue and white dress. Then I have on this little pearly and these little hoops. Malik has on a white shirt and some blue shorties. Now we're gonna go take our pictures. Hi!
Where'd you come from?
I'm a videographer.
Videographer?
Yes.
Hiding family with. I'll be like, why is there family here?
They hide stuff around.
Hi! Welcome to my vlog today.
Ew!
Like pop outfit. Outfit check. Fit check.
So yeah, stick to bottom.
That's just a barn, and then I don't know if people live in that yellow house. I've not seen anybody. Fix your hair. Okay, guys, look at each other. Super close together. Nose to nose. Oh, how's your baby great? You guys stay right there.
Give me one. Give me a smile. Hey, girlie. Where'd you go?
Yay! Good girl.
Walk this way.
Yes. Yes.
Yay! 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 You are so smart, Lele. Hello and welcome to day 2 of the vlog. It is our last full day here and we are at this beach. Sorry for my squinting. We are at the beach. I bet the water is really cold. I'll show you guys Alea. I probably won't vlog too much right now at the beach. Maybe I'll set the camera up while we play one of our yard games that we have. It's called Can Jam. It's super fun and it's like glorified bags. It's really fun. Yes, the lighting with the white walls, okay? I need me some white walls. House coming soon, period. With the white walls, okay? Speaking of house, there actually are no apartments available in the town that I live in currently. So we're going to be staying in the apartment that we live in right now. We're gonna be doing month-to-month leasing so that if anything does open up or we get an opportunity for a different living situation, that we are able to give like 30-day notice, and then, you know, we're not tied to a lease for another year. Yeah, no moving vlog, I guess, coming soon anymore, but who knows? You know, anything can happen. Anything can pop up at any time. But yeah, I don't know how much footage is actually gonna be in this vlog. I'm trying to think back of everything that I've filmed, but I hope that you guys have liked the video thus far, and it is our last day. We're actually leaving. It's 1 o'clock right now, and we're trying to be out of here by 1:30, so I'm gonna pack everything up and clean the room, I'm gonna take off the bedspread and like replace it onto the bed. We're gonna get on the road back home. I had such a good time. I'm so happy that we came on this trip. I feel so close to my family. My sister! Oh, she only cared about Alea. Okay, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I love you guys so much. Make sure, if you want to join the fam, hit that subscribe button and like this video to let me know that you like videos like this and that I should make more videos like this. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.